kittens, I am back, and today you are going to be watching me pour resin. So when I pour resin, I usually make my hearts, and here are some examples. And today we are going to do a Halloween theme so I can decorate around the house. Make some necklaces, make some bracelets, make some charms. I often put them on my phone cases when I make my Decoden phone case. The type of resin that I am currently using is Amazing, and it's a 2-part resin, and it's equal parts for each. And the pack actually comes with 3 little cups for you to mix them and a couple of mixing sticks there, which I already had plenty of. They don't mark these, so I go ahead and mark them so I can repeat and use them again. So this is resin, hardener, and then mixing together. And like I said, you'll do 1 part each, and the point of resin, the biggest tip is do not eyeball it. Make sure that they are perfectly measured even when you're mixing these. Also, when you're mixing your resin, and you can read the instructions on your box of whatever resin that you buy, but typically I mix them for at least 2 minutes, and that gets rid of all the little ribbons, and you want your resin to be completely see-through, clear, no bubbles, which you will get a few bubbles, but if you let it sit for a minute, the bubbles will rise to the top. Other than that, you can use a lighter. I use this little blowtorch thing that I got, believe it or not, at the Dollar General. Okay, so when I'm making resin, I always want to have my glitters. Got all my glitters here. And today I'm going to be using some Halloween stickers that I got. I got these in the $1 spot at Target. Now typically on stickers, if you have paper stickers, you want to seal them. You can seal them with Elmer's glue, or you can take packing tape, which is the best method, and just tape both sides and then cut it out, and then it looks like it's laminated, because resin will bleed through the paper. Also, I use this cellophane, and I don't know if you can see it or not. They're gift bags, and I just cut them up into the shape of the mold, and it will create a nice iridescent holographic design. And I also use some stuff from Hobby Lobby. This is like fake snow. And of course, some embellishments. And I also use letters to spell out things. Also, the molds that I'm going to be using today is a heart mold, which is the most typical. A cat mold that I got at Michael's. Now certain silicone molds like these, because I guess they're cheap, they don't come out glossy. Once you pop these out of the mold, you can do another resin coating on them, just a thin layer, just to dome them out or make them shiny. I also spray mine with a Rust-Oleum clear coat, which is easy to make them shiny. I'm going to make some gummy bears. And I got this from the Dollar Tree. I've never tried one of their molds before, so I'm hoping that it comes out good. It should, so this is gonna be a trial run for this guy. Anyways, speeding up now, I will see you kittens later.
So it has been 24 hours since I poured my resin, and this is my favorite part, the demolding. So here we go. All right, kittens, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. We got a lot of good pieces here. I plan on making jewelry, phone cases. There's so many things that you can do. Charm bracelets. You can put them on gift tags, give them as gifts. There's so many different things you can do. My next step is, of course, to dome them. That way they don't have such a flat back. That way they're more uniform and they're sanded down a little bit so they're not rough on the edges. But other than that, these are completely finished and I'm very happy with them, and I'm so happy you guys that got to watch how I do my resin pours. It's one of my favorite crafts to do, and I'm glad you got to join me in it. So I will see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed it. If so, hit that like button for me, please. And please subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. I really enjoy making these things for you guys. So I will talk to you soon. Bye, kittens.